Yeah, I would feel what
Okay. Perfect. Ah, thank you. Of course I want you in there. This is the master bedroom in the front, overlooking the beach and the pool. This is a sneak peek, fully wired. I'm just gonna do a quick shot. This will all be done next week. And then we're taking a major photo shoot and video shoot, and we'll be premiering it for certain agents and their buyers. So you have a big shower and a big bathtub as well. This is the master suite with dressing room. Thank you. Okay. This was another bedroom, now converted to an office. There's a bathroom and a shower. And now we're in the back. There's another half bath here.
Acuérdate de mí, este país está ávido de billetes. Este país tiene una deuda con China que no la brinca un chile. Y se la van a apostar todas manadas.
This is a second bedroom, right off of garden level. We'll get to the garden in a second. There are no lights on right now, so it's very, very bright. It's important to note that the materials they use is fine. For example, this is not wood. It's great.
A no ser que diga todos los ciudadanos afuera. Y ahí sí.
Another bedroom in the back, off the garden level. let's check out, and of course here we have closets. Let's go and check out the garden. West Tower, and this is the East Tower. Bedroom, open area, and another bedroom. All furniture included, totally turnkey. Now we check out the beach pad.
Ok, necesito, voy a almorzar. Ayuda, Rafaelito, todo, ¿ok?
Okay, Irene, I'm heading downstairs now. Excuse me, thank you. Nice. Ah, wine. Ooh, let's take a look. Very important. Okay, well, and how many bottles can we store here? A few hundred.
It's asking me, yes. Yes, it's asking me. Few hundred dollars. The whole room here.
Equipped with a massage table. Perfect, I love it. Okay. Okay, thank you. Oh no, it's okay.